Hello guys. Welcome to my channel Techie Support. Today's video is all about how to boost up your PC Windows 10 and 11. I shall provide you the best and easy steps to boost up your PC speed. Let's begin. Step 1. Disable the startup application. We need to disable the startup application. So right-click on the taskbar and open the Task Manager. Then go to the Startup Apps. From there, disable the app that you don't want your PC to start up automatically after PC booting. Let's go to the next step. Step 2. We need to set the PC to best performance. So for that, go to Search Bar and search for View Advanced System Setting. Click on it. Then click in the Advanced tab. Under the Advanced tab, we have Performances. Click the Setting option. Then select the third option, Adjust for Best Performance. Then under it, we need to turn on some option. Those are 1. Animation in the taskbar. 2. Save taskbar thumbnail preview. 3. Show thumbnail instead of icon. 4. Smooth edge of screen fonts. Then click Apply and then OK. Step 3. Defragment and optimize drivers. Go to Search and type defragment. A window will open up. In that, select your system drive. Usually, it's C. At the bottom left, click on Optimize. Now you can see your system drive is getting optimized. Once finished, then you can close the window. Step 4. Delete unnecessary temporary files. Go to Search and search Run. Now in Run, type %temp%, click on OK. Now you can see here there are many temp files that the system has generated. Select all and Shift delete it. It will get deleted permanently. So you can see the temp files are getting deleted. This may take few seconds. After complete, close it. Now again, open Run and just type temp. Again, the folder will appear and a dialog box. Click Continue. Select all the files in it and delete permanently. Now for the last. Again, go to Run. Type prefetch, click OK and click Continue. And select everything and delete. Final step. Clean up your memory. Go to File Explorer on your system driver, see right-click. Properties. Then you can see Disk Cleanup option. Let it run the scan. After scan finish, another window will open. Click on OK and it will ask, are you sure you want to delete the file permanently? Click on OK. Don't worry, it will only delete the unnecessary file. Now after doing all these steps, do a proper system restart. So that's how you can speed up your system Windows 10 and 11. If you liked this video, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel Techies Support. Thank you.